LG NanoCell AI ThinQ TV. This is 65 inches nano real 4K NanoCell quad core processor 4K ThinQ AI cinema experience, unlimited entertainment. Is Netflix, Apple TV, Sport Alert. So it work with Apple AirPlay, work with Apple HomeKit. Okay. So bust this gear. Beautiful stuff. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. There we go. This is part of the stand, here. Okay, so this is the power cable. Okay, 3-pin power cable, and this is the stand. Here is the stand. Okay. Okay, I'm going to bring tele. This is the remote control. Okay, with the information pack right here. This is the remote control and the information pack. Okay. There it is. Okay. Going to bring this out. Okay. What you do right now? Look at that. You see? Okay. There we go. There we go. On the back here, this is, you plug this on right here. Okay. Here is the for antenna. So the antenna goes right here. Lance cable goes right here. Optical cable goes right here.